Hello, this is Judy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm working on one of Christy's Beautiful Life sketches, and it is day 18. And this sketch was designed by Karen Gerber for Sketchabilities. Now, this sketch is a little out of my comfort zone, I have to say. I have looked at it and I'm struggling with what to do. So I went and pulled a bunch of things out, and it has one photo, and I have a couple photos that I would like to do as a central focus on a page. And this is this one for the sketches, and he's so cute. He is just such a darling little guy. So we were at IHOP, and he was waiting for his food. Of course, he's only eating baby food at this time, but he was excited, and he had on Daddy's hat, and it was just an adorable photo. So this one deserves a special page, right? And I don't know, I might not do the drips so much. I don't know. I brought out a paper from the Fresh Paint collection from Close to My Heart. I am a maker, so if you need anything from Close to My Heart, you know, I'm happy to help you with that. All the links to my everything is in the video description. But I thought I would use this paper because it already has the paint drips for me, and I won't have to do any of this. So that helped me. And I also pulled out this star paper because it brings in some color. And I thought I'd put some cameras on because it's a great photo. I have some little cork shapes here that are brown because there is brown tones in this photograph with his skin. I brought in a couple arrows. It's a Sweet Life. I don't know. I think that's not going to make it. But I thought Taco About Awesome. I thought that would fit. I can cut those out. And I love this little hand. I don't know if I'll be able to incorporate it because he has his hand here. So I just pulled out so many things because I just don't know where I'm going to go with this. But this was cute, and it has some really nice words and, you know, things that I would feel when I'm looking at this photo. I have some more wood arrows because they're brown, and I don't know, I just, for some reason, arrows was talking to me on this layout. And also some silver hearts, and I'm sure you're getting some glare there. This is really pretty. These are some Picture My Life cards that were in my stash. And these were in with the Picture My Life cards, but look at it, isn't that cute? But it's the wrong blue, but I might be able to make it work. And another arrow and a star. And then there was this disc. It's a metal disc. It says Smile. Oh, that's not supposed to be in there. But these little stars. And then I thought I could use one of these tags for the date and maybe some journaling. And if I use that blue, then this blue would go well. Let's see what else. Oh, I've got some words that say hi here, so I could sprinkle them around to go with that one. I didn't have any cards that were with that blue color, so I'd probably use the silver. But this is again in that blue. Now the blue is starting to work together with it, right? Having three different items that have that blue color. Maybe it'll work after all. Okay, so now we're down to the papers that I pulled. Oh, and there's another one that says Laugh. So I pulled out a bunch of black and gray papers because those are the colors. I don't know. I think I'm going to let the photo have the main colors and just let that photo shine. So I just brought out some very neutral, subtle papers that I thought might work as layering because the sketch indicates several mats and layers behind the photo. And I also had pulled out this, which goes with the star theme. And this paper, it's kind of like older. I don't know. Now that I look at it, I don't think this goes with the mood and feel and thing, but this does. This has a lot of really neat sayings on it. And then I love this one too. So this will probably be my base for my background. I love the little explosions. Okay, I decided I would mount this on here and then fussy cut around these drips to give it that impression. I put just a little strip of tape around the middle there so that I can tuck other papers underneath after I cut it out. Right, this is what I've got at this point. I cut that out and I cut a big piece of this black with the writing on it. I like the subtleness of the text and I like how it's going off the page. I really love this taco about awesome. And even though we were at IHOP and we were waiting for pancakes, but that's another story, right? So I love this favorite, but I don't know where I'm going to put it. It's so cute in there. I don't know why I like it. Maybe we'll put it here over the people that are in that corner. I could do that. So, and then I do adore the stars too. And I have a lot of dead space right here. So I could always put the taco about awesome there. I wish it were going the other way, right? And, I wish the wider end were here, in other words. Okay, and this, I do think I'm going to incorporate the blue. I like the blue. It actually works well, and these little cameras had that same blue in it. There's another one here. It brings in some yellow and then that green. There is that green there. So we could put it up there. That looks okay. The arrows, they weren't working as well as I thought they were going to. I'm keeping them out here just in case, though. And these silver discs, we'll see, because I do have a bunch of silver things. And I don't know if I'm going to get this in there or not. I could cut out the smile. Then I have a bunch of other highs, but this high is going to go in here. Where are we going to put it? There, we could tuck the camera behind it. That. And then I also have a strip of stars there. Where's the other strip of stars? Well, I know I have this colorful one. This would really bring in the color, but I don't know. I kind of like it plain. I kind of like it with just that little bit of color in it. Really makes your eye go to it. And this brings in more distraction, so we're not going to use that. I could cut out a couple more highs. I have that color here, so I could sprinkle a couple of these around. And then I have enough here for the date and I could break these apart. You could put it here. Oh, and it has the little silver stars too. That there. All right, so I'm gonna try to get some of this down. I think I'm gonna pop this up on foam though. We're going to put the black down and then pop it up on foam and then get my other layers in and get this done. I sometimes spend too much time thinking about stuff. Oh, there's the star paper right there. Okay. I'm going to use the liquid glass to put the foam on. It's the best thing I've found. This bottle's almost empty, so I'm going to go ahead and pour it right out if I can get it open. This has been a struggle for me, I have to admit. So this is where I'm at right now. These layers are down, except for these. This is not attached. This is not attached. So I've been struggling with layering and putting these pieces together, and the title didn't work. I didn't like how the color didn't quite mesh. So this is where I'm at, and I'm just going to put it together because I think I'm really going to like it in the end. I thought about distressing, but I don't want to distress on a little boy's page. That's not the feeling I get with a little boy's page, is to distress. So I'm going to just layer these star pieces and just let it be the way it is, because the photo is just so gorgeous. I'm gonna just go with it. Okay, I cut a title out on my Cricut, and it's going to be Hip Hop at IHOP. It's just so fitting, right? I'm going to put the hip up here. Does he look like a little hip hopper? I think so. And I cut it out of some blue foil paper I had in my stash, and then I did the offset feature from my Cricut design space to do the black outline. I love, love, love that feature. And I'm just going to use some glue to put this down. We'll do that. I actually found this IHOP SVG on the internet so I could cut it out and make it look authentic. And I'm going to put some foam adhesive on the back of it. Some of this is going to be off of the mounting foam, so I want to make sure I support it with foam underneath. And I think I'm going to try to bring in some enamel dots for decoration too, just as some little fillers. So while I'm organizing, I'm finding all kinds of stuff and trying to put it all together. Okay, I think that is enough, a little interest to bring your attention in, but that photo really steals the whole layout. It's so much fun. And now that I'm done, I'm okay with it. It was a struggle, but well worth it, and very, very cute. Let me give you some close-ups so you can see some of the shine there. I don't have to add anything else, but maybe a little too much glare, I don't know. But yeah, it adds a lot of fun. I love the paint drips. Okay, so thank you for joining me here. Make sure you check out everybody in the video description. There's a playlist, so just click on that and you can watch everybody who has played along with today's sketch. And thank you to Christy for putting this together, and to Karen Gerber who made this sketch for Sketchabilities. Thank you for letting us use it. Have a great day.